Have you ever wondered how to wire a check efficiently? You're not alone. This method requires your client to wire a check for cashing out at the ATM. Today, I'm simplifying the process for you. Let's dive into the steps needed to wire a check. First, you need a few essentials. This includes bank logs with a balance, a client debit card, and a good VPN or RDP connection. You should also ensure the client's address matches that on their debit card. Having a Google Voice number and an email created with the client's name is also key. To get started, connect to the client's IP address using RDP or a VPN. Ensure the connection is clean. Then, visit the American Bank Cheque's website to create an account. Use the email associated with the client's debit card for registration. Next, fill in the client details, including their Google Voice number, and proceed to the order status section. You can choose either a personal or business check. Select the check type that suits your needs. Now, fill in the required details. This includes the bank's name and address, which can be found by searching for the routing number. Enter a starting check number and the routing and account numbers from your logs. Once completed, review all the details. It's important to confirm that everything matches, especially the address. After this, proceed to checkout. Payment processing may take up to 15 minutes, and checks usually arrive within 2-3 business days. Your client will need to fill in the amount they want to deposit and endorse the back of the check at the ATM. Remember, always use your client's debit card for payment. In summary, wiring a check is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Should you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, support my filmmaking channel by subscribing to my YouTube channel.